Let's take a look here at the globe component. So the globe essentially just have gain and color. Gain will be turning the globe on and off. So to turn it on, we need the colors. I'm just gonna make here a color. Let's take like a bluish color here and then just turn the gain on. So you essentially get a self-illuminescent material here. This is not to be used as a light per se, because it's gonna be super noisy, and also you don't get the proper light contribution that you would get from, for example, from a geometry light or something like that. It doesn't have important sampling. So it can be used for kind of self-illuminescent that doesn't really need to light up that much, or maybe like a cards within windows to simulate like lights from within an apartment, or like lava or something like that you just want to have like surface details. So let's take this water noise and plug this into the globe and say again here, start to get like a pattern. Let's take a pixel threshold, and we can see here we can start to play here with the threshold like so. And if you want to take a color here, let's say take a blend, and let's plug in 2 colors. It's gonna take this one and plug this into the color like so, and there we can see something. I'm just gonna take a look here how this one looks flat shaded. So that's the one we have. So we can insert an exposure node on top of the color here and plug this one into the color like so. And now here, if I would now start to overexpose my color on top of the gain, you will get almost like a glow in the dark. But you can see here, it doesn't really illuminate that much. So you wouldn't want to use this one as a light. It's more like an effect or as self-illuminations like this. Okay, so let's wander into the globals here, and also the realm of breaking physicality. For example here, if I go into and look here at presence, and I pump this threshold into presence here, you're gonna see here that my object starts to disappear. So I'm essentially mapping geometry. Opacity, this wouldn't work in reality, like things can't just hang in mid-air. So this is essentially something that you would have like a glass or something. But yeah, the main thing you use presence for is to, for example, like leaves on a tree. You have a card and you just want to cut out the surface. You also have here under, if I go back to my globals, something that definitely breaks physicalities. This is artistic shadow color here. It's always set to black, but let's see here what happens if I set this shadow color to red. You can see here now I'm essentially getting red shadows from this one. So that's a bit weird, and yeah, it's there. I never use this. I always have black. In the next episode, we're gonna take a look at the pxrSurface. If you wanna support my channel, consider dropping a comment in one of the videos with information of upcoming episodes you wanna see from Meshmen Studio. See you on the channel. Bye bye.